Hey everyone! Everyone was using Grok AI for generating videos for free, but now it is paid. You cannot generate videos using Grok AI without subscription. But everyone is asking how to generate free videos. Is there any tool to generate videos? Today I will introduce you Meta AI, the tips and tricks that you can use Meta AI. Everyone know about Meta AI is generating videos, but I will show you the tips and tricks that you can generate. So let's start. Okay, to generate videos using Meta AI. The first thing is we will open Meta AI. So search meta.ai. So open meta.ai if you didn't create your account. So create your account. After creating your account, the user interface will looks like this. I will show you three methods. Okay, the first one is to generate image, then from image to video. The second one is directly video. The third method is to edit your videos. Okay, there are options that you can edit your existing videos. There are different ways that you can edit those videos. So let's start. First of all, we will generate an image. So I have a prompt. I will paste here the prompt, but here look at here we have the plus button. Click that and create. After creating, selecting create, now there are image. If you want to generate image, select image, or video, select video. So we will generate first image. Then here we have the ratio 1:9:16 per mobile and 16:9 per larger screen YouTube and other platforms. Paste your prompt here. So after pasting your prompt, select this button, so it will generate our image now. So look at four image has been generated for us. Now we will convert one of them to a video. This is the first trick. Okay, let's, for example, we want to animate which one? For example, this one we want to animate. Click on this image. After clicking this image, now we will convert this to animation. It means to video. So simply come here down to the right side, and here you will see animate. Look at the animate button. Click this button, then it will convert this image to video. So look at our image has been generated. Look at the video. This is the video, but here you can describe how you would like to animate. If you want to edit this, simply just come here and here add your description how you would like to animate, then press the animate, so it will animate the video as you describe like that. Okay, for example, you have the video description like this is the video prompt. Copy the video prompt and paste that here and animate it like that. You can add music also in the background. This was the first check. Yeah, here is the download button, so we will download this. Press this, so it will download this video. So look at our video has been downloaded. So look at this is our video that we have downloaded. Let's close this. Now for example, we have our own file, our own image, and we want to convert that to a video. So for that, simply let's, for example, I would like to upload a file. So I will first of all generate an image somewhere else and then upload that here and animate. So let's upload our image. Just come here. I have this image, and here I will create a video, and here I will describe it like this. Okay, this is just a prompt, and after uploading the image, so we will animate it. So now it will animate our image that we uploaded. Let's wait for the animation as we described, so it will animate the image like that. The video has been generated from our image like this. Okay, so it was the second method that we can animate our own file, our own image. Third option that I would like to teach you, that is to edit our existing videos. For example, we have a video later before we downloaded this video. I will upload that video. Let's first of all upload this video. So after uploading this, now we can edit this video. So look at, we have different options, different styles and effects that we can edit our existing videos. So let's, for the uploading, whenever the uploading completed, so then we will edit our video. So look at, this is our video. Okay, so for example, which style I would like to apply on these, for example, just come here like this one. Okay, just click that style, so it will convert the style to that. So it is the result that we transformed our videos from the previous style to the new style. Look at how it looks like. Okay, this was the third option, that we can restyle and transform and edit the videos, the existed videos. That was all about these to make videos, generate videos for free, no limit and no watermark. So if this video was helpful, please hit the like button, and also if you have any question, comment down and subscribe to our YouTube channel for more videos like this. Thanks for watching.